Fox, be careful. I have a bad feeling about this.
What? Everything's fine. I'm here.
That's what worries me the most. Watch your radar carefully, Fox. Keep your eyes open. Come on, Fox. What are you doing?
Be quiet, you old fogey. Wow, I almost feel like going for a swim.
You swim in the ocean, too?
Don't make fun of me, bird brain.
To be young again.
Use the B button for special moves.
Press up, X, or Y to jump. What? You're just now explaining the controls? All ships report in.
This is Slippy. I'm alright.
Peppy here. I'm a little shaken, but I'm okay. Sorry, I've always wanted to say that. Falco, don't let them get you.
This has gotten interesting. I'm on the edge of my seat.
Calm down. This is where the real battle begins. Look out, Slippy! Enemies behind you!
Fox, I think someone's on my tail.
Get out of there, Slippy!